Live Composite is a very unique way of making long exposure photographs with an Olympus camera. Hi there, I'm Peter Forsgaard, an Olympus Visionary from Helsinki, Finland. And before we start, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you won't miss any videos in the future. And also, if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up. But let's go and talk about Live Composite. Long exposure photography is very exciting. You can get some exciting results. The traditional way is to use the bulb mode. When using the bulb mode, you can make as long exposures as you want. But the problem with that is that you are not able to see how the image progresses. With Olympus, I would use lifetime instead of bulb mode. With lifetime, you can see how the image progresses on your LCD, and then when you think the image is okay, then just press the shutter button to stop the exposure. But in most cases, Live Composite is the right way to make long exposure images. Let me show how to set it up, and then I will show you some images that I made in an amusement park called Linnanmäki here in Helsinki. They had a light carnival there this week. Okay, here we go. Set the shooting mode to manual and then choose LiveComp. It's the last one right after 60 seconds, bulb, lifetime, and then LiveComp. Then selecting the actual shutter speed is by pressing menu, and here you can choose which shutter speeds you want to use. And of course, the shutter speeds that you want to use depends on how much light you have in the scene. The shutter speeds that you can choose are from half a second to 60 seconds. And when you have chosen the shutter speed, then press the menu once and the camera will do some calculations. The calculations take as long as you have chosen the shutter speed to be. The way the LiveComp works is that it starts taking the images when you press the shut button second time. And it takes 1 second images and adds information only to the places where you get more light in the scene. As you can see here how it goes when I was taking an image in Linnanmäki, as you can see from the screen of the camera that I recorded. And when you press the shutter button a third time, then the exposure will stop and the camera will composite your image and do some noise reduction, etc., etc. And what is great about the Live Composite is that you see how the image progresses from the LCD of your camera. LiveComp can be used in many situations. In this video I have examples from light trails. There will be another part of this video on next Friday where I will show other uses of LiveComp. So be sure to watch that on next Friday. And on this image, as you can see, the sign in the front is very bright, and the only way to make this with a one image is to use LiveComp, because otherwise if I would use bulb and have a 2-minute exposure, the front light or actually the whole scene would be totally overexposed. So the only way to make this image is to use LiveComp and an Olympus camera. Have you tried LiveComp? If you have, please send me some of your best LiveComp images and I will give feedback on them. And the instruction how to send the images is in the description of this video down below. I will go through them on Friday the 26th. So if you want some feedback on your LiveComp images, please send them to me. And as I said, the next video I will give you some more examples of how to use LiveComp. But hey, thanks for watching and bye for now.